cup up with some leans. Yeah, put my dick in your bitch plane. Yeah, rats.
Yeller. Turkey next. I don't know how to start a video other than to say I'm gonna do a lot of shit on the G37 all at once kind of shit, right? Made another purchase for another vehicle, and yeah, I spent a lot of money in just like a 4-day time span. When I say a lot of money, I mean I spent a lot of fucking money. So to recoup the majority of the money, I need to sell this. Yeah, I mean, here. So this car runs like shit, and apparently it's a good chance it's these two sensors right here. So I bought some sensors for it. They're kind of a pain in the ass to change and get to, you know what I'm saying, whatever. And then I'm also going to get my super extra as fuck vacuum cleaner, or at least a vacuum of some sort, to clean this nasty shit up, because like, yo, it's fucking nasty. I'm gonna clean the interior as best I can, get rid of dumbass shit like this. Like, this is like a, oh, hey, my seat's destroyed, but you don't know it, but like, you know, fuck that. Get rid of that bullshit, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna take that shit out, all this fucking trash out of here, you know what I'm saying? Like, come on, man. All that shit got to go, little baby. So we're gonna do all that shit. We're gonna clean this motherfucker up. I'm gonna change the oil in this fucking car because it fucking definitely needs oil. It doesn't like need an oil change, but I'm trying to determine that, well, potentially the engine could be bad. So if I change the oil in it and sounds the engine change, then I know that it's just because of the oil, or, you know, whatever the case may be. Kind of helps me to eliminate what could be wrong with the car. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, battery in the charger, and I'm gonna do a whole lot of shit. I gotta clean up like the headlights and shit. Really, really weird. See if I can get a piece of it here somewhere. Yeah, here we go. You know what I mean? That shit gone. You know what I'm saying? This headlight, as you can see, she yellow, but you see my one spot that I already fucked with a little bit. So I'm gonna do that. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, I'm gonna change the oil in this bitch. I gotta change some of the sensors. I'm gonna fire it back up, see how it goes. But overall, I need to do a whole bunch of little things to the car. Wheels need to be cleaned. The car needs to be driven, you know what I'm saying? Like, I need to get this fucking tape off of here. Most likely this tape is here, probably. Oh, yeah, because the bumper's got it broken here. Even though you could have just put a bolt back in there instead of fucking tape it like a retard. But hey, not everybody knows, you know, that they can do stuff they can buy from the hardware store, you know, or whatever the case may be. You know what I'm saying? So I understand that some people, duct tape is the answer, which duct tape is not the fucking answer, because you get shit like this, and then there's fucking tape on the chassis now, you know what I'm saying? And this is so hard to get the fuck off of here. So hopefully I get this shit off. If I don't, yeah, you know, it is what it is, right? So the goal for me is, like I said before, I'm gonna clean up this car because I'm going to get rid of it. Because of all the purchases I made recently, I need to very much recoup a lot of the money. And then, not to add fuel to that money fire, but I bought a bunch of shit for this car, but that's what this video is about. You heard me? So I'm gonna watch, no, you gonna watch, not me. You gonna watch. I'm gonna do some shit. You gonna watch the shit that I do. You know what I'm saying? So you gonna watch it and fast forward, and it's gonna take me several hours. So take a watch, take a look, take a listen. It's gonna be some good ass music as always, cause music always slamming on this motherfucking channel. This episodes, these TVs, these videos, whatever the fuck you wanna call this shit. And yeah, that's it. Oh, also, you know what I'm saying? I'm working on putting this on the site sooner than later, hopefully, if the company gets back to me. So yeah, stay tuned, watch things, baby. Boom.
You did good, son.
It's a man.
Motherfuckers that you claim you know what's cupped up in the great home, stay the fuck away. Locked up on my side, but look like I'm triple A. Any motherfucking time, any motherfucking day. Demons all about me and they begging for a fucking taste.
Same shit, different day, playing with the cake. Don't know inside, it's the block, where the fuck I stay. Still a creeping in the
your name on it. Block, pull the range, got another great grade. Blocking in the fucking tank, these bites. Got my blade sharp and cut tight. I shan't shoot away, I'ma play my target.
Hey, why all these ops on my block, huh? Pull out the chop like a mob, bruh. Hey, street sweeping like it's Mardi Gras. Lit up streets with a bunch of bloody body parts.
Banging on the 30s, got the 30s in my glove box. Cops pull me over, they about to get their mug pop. Cherry lemonade type of stain, pull up in the rain. Split this fucking rain like a bitch who loves to chuck high.
Leave me the fuck alone. Leave me the fuck alone. Leave me the fuck alone. Leave me the fuck alone.
Stepping up, rapping the 5'9". All of my partners for lifeline. 30 33 years, I keep myself off these 30s. I'm clipping the weak. Gang with me, whole gang with me. I got no fear in these streets. Bang, send me autos, but I'm hanging out the fucking cheese.
Never sleep, drinking off the rock, block will play for keeps. Real life drunk addict, come down low, it's fucking sleep. Never sleep, I know that the reaper waiting for me. I know that he patient, see his reflection when I pull it up.
Codeine in the club, double a dub, now I might not wake up. Uzi tuck next to my 40. Southside of the lake, yeah, I'm over 740. All these pills I take them, bitch, there ain't no fucking horny.
So, we back. You didn't see me clean up some shit. Some shit got cleaned. The outside of the car didn't get washed, nerd. But that's for another time because the car's gonna sit under a tree, so it's gonna get nasty and trash constantly. So, you tell me, is the interior cleaner? Is we cleaned up? Is we nicer? You know what I'm saying? I mean, don't worry about that. Don't worry about this, little baby. Don't worry about that. I mean, the interior can only get so clean because that is kind of embedded in there. So to get this out, I would have to probably do some kind of like steam cleaner, some type shit. I ain't got none of that bullshit. We out here, little baby. Hold up. Boom, we clean back here, we clean here. I forgot to clean right inside that. And that's okay. So, see, you know what I'm saying? So basically, what Ben had done was give her oil change. So that way she's got new fresh oil, a little bit thicker syrup, you know what I'm saying? So that way I can hear engine changes, stuff like that. I can feel engine changes and shit like that. We did a couple little loose ends. The fan shroud is cracked, and so the fan's just jiggling around. So I removed a couple pieces, put some zip ties through it to clamp them down so they wouldn't move around. I know that that's not the proper way to do something, but I'd have to replace the whole unit, the whole shroud and the casing for it to be working correctly. So being that I'm not doing that shit right now, that's how it's gonna be, you know what I'm saying? So I put some new sensors in there, fired the car, no check engine lights came on, but it doesn't mean they won't come on. So now I need to do the initial drive on the car and kind of see if all this shit I did to the car made any changes, any differences, anything else, you know what I'm saying? Also, got headlights, buffed them up a little bit. They look a little cleaner. Well, that one looks a lot cleaner. This one's still peeling off some kind of flaky shit here. Well, some flaky shit here. You see, I mean, you can see the difference. So if I like really chased after this light, I could get it to be a lot cleaner. I'm not really there yet. You know what I'm saying? So externally, the car, she ugly. But now that the interior is cleaned up, I can start going after, I got the trunk. There's like a fucking 400 golf balls in the trunk. That's just gotta go. So I gotta clean up the trunk and wash the whole car, give it a full thorough cleaning. And right now, I'm gonna test drive it. You gonna come with me. I'm gonna do some bangs with the baby. Also, I had a first happen. First thing, first time, first ever, right? Man, me I tell you a big thing happened right here, man. Me I show you right now. Yeah, don't, hold up. I know I'm Jamaican now. Yeah, don't see that. You see that thing right here? Yeah, man. Big paint kind of explosion right here. You can't tell because everything's black, you know what I'm saying? But there's no paint there, and then all of a sudden it just turns really flat black in this area, just out of fucking nowhere, and the shit is on Man, the ting everywhere, man. Yeah, man, big tings right here. And to make it worse, the fucking paint can blew up on my fucking Snap-on, all my chargers. So I had to like spray them with Blade cleaner and like dump them over, like let it leak out. And then all the fucking plug tips are fucking, I had to clean each and individual plug tip right there. Even funnier still, I cleaned just the socket. I cleaned just the socket right here, so that way, you know what I'm saying? Like I can still plug shit back in there. Like, you know, this fan, get this nasty ass smell out of here. It's fucking crazy. But yeah, everything, man, everything got the shit everywhere, boy. Yeah, man, right there. Man, the paint can, big explosion right here. Me, right there, right near the beach, man. What happened? The whole leg, man, right off the paint color. Man, even me shoot a paint color right down there. I even use a bunch of lacquer thinner and all kinds of shit to fucking clean a lot of the paint off. I still have some on me. All over my leg, got on my fucking pants and shit. You know what I'm saying? Got over like the fucking new merch, you know what I'm saying? It's the first time that's ever fucking happened to me in my life. Fucking paint can just rolls, fucking falls, and just fucking blows up everywhere. At least it was black. It's a great color. So, all the cars are black anyway, so matches everything else, right? But, alright. We're gonna run this car real quick, little baby. You gonna find the fuck out. I'm gonna see. You gonna see when I see, when you see. Alright, boom. Side note, I filled up an entire garbage bag full of trash out of this car. And then carpets and shit like this. You know what I'm saying? Man, everything trash, man. We don't keep none of that. We don't want that shit, man. Leave it right in the trash where it belongs. Yeah, man. We drive. Hey, what you looking at? What you looking at? Boom, what are you two looking at? Boom, 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 boom. Hey, this ain't time to be tired and hey, come here. What you doing, puppy? Yeah, Chiefs, come here. Come here. Yeah, there you go. There you go, puppies. Yeah. I know it's hot in here. You guys are wolf dogs. I know.